Hi, it's a Lipstick Gal. Thank you so much for watching. Wanted to show you what came in my Sephora box. This is a bigger box than I actually anticipated, and it could be, it's just that, okay, we'll get into it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being subscribed. I haven't received a box this big from Sephora in a long time, and it could be that makeup items are smaller, and during the recent VIB Rouge sale, and this will be my last year's Rouge, I think. I don't think I'm going to be able to spend enough to maintain my Rouge for 2021. But I'm not going to lie, we'll miss that 20% off once a year, but you know what? That's okay. Just think of all the other money I'm saving by not spending. That's what I tell myself. Whew. I know the sale is still going on and will continue to for people at different tiers, different spending tiers for a while. But I made some real specific decisions this year, and I'm kind of proud of myself, and I'm kind of like, before time runs out, do I need to make one more purchase? I don't know. Let me show you what I got. The one thing that I was so sure I absolutely had to have was this. This is from Briogeo. This is their Detox and Restore Scalp Shampoo and Hair Repair Mask. So you get a full size of their, what is this called? Their Scalp Revival, and a full size of their Don't Despair Repair. I love both of these products. I feel like the hydrating mask is really good, and it's my favorite exfoliating shampoo. I've tried so many, and so many of them just aren't as good as this one. So I'm glad to finally have full size of both of these. By the way, this set cost me $49, and then I got 20% off on top. So definitely excited about that. Another set that I got, a holiday set, is from Dr. Jart. It's their Ceramidin Moisture from Head to Toe set. And this is great because in here you get 3 products. This is another $48. I lied, it's $48. But what you get is you get a full size of the one product I've been wanting to try for such a long time. I just never got around to it, and it's this. This is their Ceramidin cream. It's a moisture retention shield. So during the winter time, when weather gets down to the teens for like the high for the day, where I live here in the state of Washington, I need some extra moisture, and I had been living in their Ceramidin moisturizing toner, their Ceramidin liquid, but I thought it'd be nice to pair that liquid with this cream and see if I can keep my skin happy all winter long. And I feel like this normally goes for $48, but in this set you also get a full size of their body lotion, and it's a lightweight body moisturizer. I had never tried this product before, but winter is coming and it's cold. The last thing in this set, if I can get it out of the box, oh, here we go, is one of their sheet masks, and it's just their Ceramidin sheet mask. It's actually really good. I have used this specific one before. I try to stay away from sheet masks. I used to constantly buy sheet masks, like, you know, by the dozen, and I realized that it doesn't as much align with what I'm wanting to do anymore because it's single use. So you have the mask that you throw away, all the packaging that comes with it. Some masks, especially Korean masks, can sometimes come with a plastic sheet on top of the mask, or something as it's folded together in the packaging, and it just seems really wasteful to me. So I'm opting for more wash-off masks that you can use multiple times, as opposed to single-use masks like this. But I will definitely use it, and I know I've tried that one before and I really do like it. Another product that I picked up was the Ceramidin liquid, their moisturizing toner. I have used this for the last 2 years. I picked it up on a whim in 2018, fall of 2018, and it was probably one of the most, it was the thing that made the most difference that winter on my skin. And I knew it was this product alone. And so this is, I'll step out of the shower, or after washing my face at night, I will put a couple of drops here and I'll just press it into my skin. And then I feel like it's a great start for my skin to continue to layer hydration on. But this made a huge difference. I went from being really kind of dry and tight, and no amount of things I would put on my skin after would really help. This really helps a lot. So I'm glad to have another one of these, and that's why I wanted to try this set, because you get that full size Ceramidin cream in there as well. So the last thing that I got I talked about this, getting this set here. This is from Laniege. This is their Dream and Wonder set. And you get a full-size traditional lip sleeping mask in their berry scent. You get a Choco Mint mini, and you get a Lemon Sorbet mini. And I love this. Normally the full size will run you $20, and this set costs $29 for these three. Now my kids, my two girls, love this stuff, and my 10-year-old has been known to like take my Laneige lip sleeping mask from my bedside and put it on her bedside. I'm like, where is my lip mask? So I thought it would be nice to be able to share like the minis with my kids. They still do come like before they, good night mommy, we love you, and they come up, can I use some lip masks? So they love this stuff, but I know that if I were to leave it in their room, they would go through it so quickly. And since it is kind of an expensive lip item, I thought it'd be better to do it this way. They could each have a mini. I could have the big guy. I did also, because I wanted to have the lemon sorbet for myself, I did pick up a full size of the lemon sorbet, and I'm so curious as to what it smells like, because they used to have, ooh, it smells very lemony. So this is a light lemon scent. It also has kind of a sweet to it, not in a really like sugary way, but a really, it smells like a lemon dessert, but not too sweet. It smells really good. I can't wait to use it. One of my favorite scents, I did get, one time I got a set like this where there was a mini and they had a grapefruit mini, and that was like my favorite. And that was the year I think they had full-size grapefruits, and I should have bought one and I didn't. And then I went to go look for it, and they don't sell it here in the States anymore. You still can get that grapefruit scent if you buy it through a K-beauty retailer, but sometimes, you know, waiting the 9 weeks and paying for international shipping is not always, you know, what I'm willing to do for a Laneige lip sleeping mask, hence the buying the other citrus scented one, a full size for myself. So that's what I got. I have been trying really hard to make sure that I don't over purchase. I know that sounds terrible because I'm constantly trying new things, but when a sale like this pops up, sometimes I use it as kind of like my excuse, like I'm walking like a kid in a candy store, like I'm walking through the candy emporium and whatever I want I can have. But I try to think about things that I knew I would use, like down to the last drop. Love these guys. Things that I rely on regularly to get me through, you know, harsh winter. And I feel like all of this is just hydration, hydration, hydration for my hair, for my face, for my lips, and even in here there's like a body lotion as well. I'm trying to make sure that I'm not over purchasing. Like, you'd never think I'd need another lipstick. I should never buy another lipstick, but I'm sure I will. But I was trying to make sure that I wasn't going to be buying like a lip set, a lipstick set, and that I was trying to make sure that I wasn't buying like those large holiday sets, because they're just not things that in like 4 months from now that I'm still going to be reaching for. Where I do know I will be reaching for this. I will be reaching for this. I will be reaching for this. I'm trying to make sure that I'm more conscious about my choices, and not just let the fact that Sephora is having a sale make me like run loose like a kid in a candy store. But I would love to know, did you buy anything during the sale? Are you planning to buy anything during the sale? Are there certain things that you continue to repurchase and you love getting on sale? Like, I get this every year during the sale and I love it so much. So I would love to know what's on your list or what your beauty goals are and have those changed. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have an incredible day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.